Welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, my name is Jay, and today we're going to be covering your iPhone's battery health and how it affects your phone. I'm also going to show you how to check your battery's level and what the status says when your battery has been degraded. Stay tuned. Before we get started, if tech is something that you're into, then please consider subscribing. And if you like these types of videos, don't forget to hit the like button so that the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. Let's get to it. First things first, Apple introduced the battery health feature in iOS 11 if I'm not mistaken, but you can correct me if I'm wrong. And what this feature does is it allows you to see your phone's health so that you can know if your phone is performing at a max level. So when you buy your phone brand new, your phone battery is at 100%. But depending on how you use your phone and how often you charge your phone, over time, your battery will be degraded. So let's dive into the settings on my iPhone. And that way we can see what my battery's health looks like, see how much is degraded over time, and we can see if it's time to get a new battery. Also, this will help you figure out how to see your battery's health as well and let you know at the same time if you need to get a new phone or possibly just upgrading your battery. Let's move to the iPhone real quick. Now keep in mind, this phone is a bit older. This is an iPhone 8 Plus that I'm showing you guys this example with. However, I do have an iPhone 10 that I am currently recording with, and I'm pretty sure both phones have around the same or relatively the same battery health because they both were bought at the same time. So just keep that in mind, but you can still use this same technique to check your phone no matter which phone you have right now. Guys, so here we are on the iPhone 8 Plus. This is the product red version, as you guys probably already know. But what you're gonna do here is go to the settings button here. You're gonna go into the settings, you're gonna scroll down here to battery, click that. Then you're going to see right here where it says battery health service. You're gonna click that button there, and you're gonna scroll down to about right here. And on this screen, it's gonna give you a lot of information. As you can see on the screen, it says my battery's phone health is significantly degraded. An Apple authorized service provider can replace the battery to restore full performance and capacity. If I click that button there, it'll take me into a little menu where I can actually try and request a new battery or get some type of service for my battery. But as you can see right here, being that this phone is a little older, it says the maximum capacity is now at 78%, when you buy your phone brand new, it's always at 100. This is a measure of the battery's capacity relative to when it was new. Lower capacity may result in fewer hours of usage between charges. And just some more things down here just for you guys to kind of take note to. But the biggest thing is knowing what your max capacity is. And my battery right now is at 78%, and I'm being told by Apple that my health is significantly degraded and I could possibly need to get a new battery. So I'm currently in a dilemma right now on whether or not I want to upgrade this device and my iPhone 10. I have gotten into a habit of needing to use two phones, and I don't know what I want to do here, but I wanted to make this video to show you guys right here what it looks like, how to check it, and what that message tells you from Apple when your phone's battery has been degraded. So as you can see, the battery in this phone needs to be replaced in order for me to continue to use this phone at a maximum level or to get maximum output from my device. One of the biggest things I've noticed since the phone's battery is degraded is the fact that the phone has a tendency to die a bit faster, which is kind of typical because the phone's battery has been degraded. So over time, when your phone charges, eventually as the battery degrades, it will not hold a charge as much. So even when it's charged to 100% and you go and try to use the phone for like gaming or something like that, it will die pretty fast. And that's one of the biggest things that I have noticed since my phone's battery has been degraded. Now there are some other issues that I've noticed with the phone, but I won't relate those to having a bad battery or the battery being degraded. I feel like it could be more of a software thing, but we'll get into stuff like that in another video. So there you have it. Now you know how to check your phone's battery health so that you can determine if you are getting max performance from your device. Now, if you've enjoyed this video or found it helpful in any way, please don't forget to drop a like so that the YouTube algorithm will be nice to this video. And do not forget to subscribe so you can catch any video that I drop on this channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.